Hello, this is Kelly from Rue Pursuit, and today I just wanted to share with you a little quick message that I have decided to sell. I don't know, I have a ton of these piano rolls, and I decided that I wanted to sell them. So there are some like this, which I think are so pretty, and I had a video a little while back, and I know some people said, well, I don't really necessarily have access to a piano roll, so I'm putting some for sale in my Etsy shop. And I was gonna just sell like paper by the sheet or whatever, but that just seems ridiculous. So these are the whole full roll you get. So, and these have, of course, the lines on them, and then lyrics as well. So these have a really pretty blue font on them. That's pretty cool. Okay, so this is what I've decided. This is the crazy daisy thing that I'm gonna do. So right now I have them for sale in my Etsy shop for $11.25, and I'm trying to figure out, can I put them on sale? And I think I can. So lower than that. So it does cost $5 to ship them. Then that leaves $5.75 left over, plus what I paid for them individually. But I think I can still sell them for $7.99 a piece, and that's with free shipping. So basically that $5 for shipping is included in the price. I know that's pretty crazy. So I think that I can do this. I'm gonna have these on sale for that price until through Tuesday of April 19th of 2022. So that means on Wednesday, on April 20th, they go back to the $11.25 price. I have like 18 for sale in there, so I have a lot of them. So that's what I'm gonna do. So $7.99 is the price with free shipping, and then you can get yourself one of these little babies. I do want to say that some of them are in better shape, but this grouping with the turquoise QRS, these are in not such great shape. They're a little grungier. So, but the reason I put this in there is because it has this beautiful caramel paper for the same price, and this turquoise, and then also the lyrics are in turquoise. So that's why I kept this one. And also when you reinforce the back of this, so the back with paper, then it evens it all out, and you'll be able to glue that paper down. That's what I did with this one. So this one was even taped, and then you can see how it was after it was reinforced. This one even had like grungy tape on it, and but it still looks really cool. So anyway, the QRS ones are more for people who are interested in that grungy look, or who just really love the turquoise lyrics, which is sort of a special thing that most of them don't have. At any rate, there's 5 different ones. At the end of this video, there's going to be a video tour of all the ones that I have for sale. The links in my Etsy shop, the links to the tutorials on how to make these are also in the description, and I hope you'll check them out. So as always, thanks for coming along, and I'll talk to you later. And now here's the video of the actual piano rolls. Thanks. All right, let's just do a quick overview of what I have here. I've got these QRS. Got these are QRS. Got the blue canvas pad. Well, this one's, I don't know if you call that canvas, but sort of like a papery blue. And then I've got this group. Also, these are more like white paper with the blue. And then this over here, this is the typical color, which is sort of like a creamy caramel color. And these have white tabs. There's that. And then these player ones have some red on them, but the lyrics written on them are black. And then these QRS ones are all pretty grungy, but they have turquoise lyrics.